Welcome. Grade 10 Physical Sciences, Chapter 1, Vectors and Scalars, Lesson 2. Vector notation. Vectors are shown by symbols with an arrow pointing to the right above it. For example, F, W, V represents the vectors of force, weight, and velocity, meaning they have both a magnitude and a direction. Graphical representation of vectors. Vectors are represented as arrows, where the length of the arrow indicates the magnitude and the arrowhead indicates the direction of the vector. The longer the length, the bigger the magnitude. Given two vectors, one a bigger magnitude vector and two a smaller magnitude vector, it is incorrect to represent a bigger magnitude vector by a shorter arrow than otherwise. Directions. There are three main directions that you can use when describing vectors. Number one, relative direction. To the left, to the right, forward, backward, up, down. Number two, compass direction. West, east, south, north. If a vector does not point exactly in one of the compass directions, then we use an angle. For example, the vector below is 40 degrees north of west. The angle is always measured from the x-axis. Number three, bearing. A bearing is a direction relative to a fixed point. Given just an angle, the convention is to define the angle clockwise with respect to north. For example, a vector with a direction of 110 degrees has been rotated clockwise 110 degrees relative to north. Note that a bearing is always written as a 3-digit number. For example, 275 or 080 80.